I will explain about some basics command in AutoCAD. Okay. So first of all, uh, this is a line. So you can draw the line first. The AutoCAD, the main part of this software is the line. Okay. So you have to learn about the lines. So first of all, you can just select the line here. When I choose the line here you can find out this is asking for the first point. Okay. So first point, I will just click somewhere here. So after that, I can able to access this line like 360 degree. Okay. So, so I have to draw the line straight. So I can go to choose ortho. So now I can able to draw now straight. So here to here I can put 10. Here I can mention 10. I can mention 10. And here can able to close it. So this is line object. Okay. Right. Now I can go to choose circle. So when you choose the circle, here you can find out center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tan radius, tan. Okay. So first of all, I will choose this center radius. So center radius means if for example, I will click this one in the midpoint. So radius, I can put it 5. So here you can find out, I draw this one like center radius. Okay. So I can go to choose the dimension tool. I can go to choose the radius. I can click here. So you can find out it's showing 5 radius. Radius is 5. So 5 means 5 mm. Okay. So you can go back to the format, choose the dimension style, go to modify premium units. So you can find out 0 and OK plus current. Okay, now you can find out this is showing radius 5. Again, you can go back to format. So I have to resize the size. So I can go for the dimensions, go to modify, go to text. I can choose it around 1, and the same time I can choose it around also 1 mm. Okay, so this is all millimeters. So now it's visible. Okay, right. So this is line and circle I did. Again, I can go to choose center diameter. So center diameter also same. So diameter mean here to here 10. So I can choose another circle somewhere here, this point. So here to here I can mention 10. So now you can able to find out this. This is the radius. This is the diameter. Both same. You can go back to the dimensions. Choose the diameter here. So now you can able to find out this is radius, this is diameter. Okay. Again, I can go to choose another line. Here to here I can mention 10. Here to here I can mention 10. Okay. Here you can able to find out the circle. Here you can choose the 2 point or 3 point. So I'll choose the 3 point. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So again I can go to choose tan radius and tan. So for example, I can go to choose tan radius. Tan means you have to press this tangent and here also tangent. Now you can able to go to choose the radius. Here you can find out this the command line. This radius already the system generated 7.07. So if you want, you can go for 5 also, no issue. and you just press enter. See, this is the radius I did. So you can go back to the dimensions and choose a radius. This is this radius, and you can find out this radius is here. So this is the way I created. Okay, right. So now I can go back to polyline, or you can go to draw and choose the polygon. Sorry, choose the polyline. So it's starting for the first point. You can start the first point somewhere here. Here to here, you can go to choose 20 mm. And after that, you can go to choose A for arc. So here to here arc, you can choose 10. Again, you can type L, it mean line. You can go to choose 20. Again, you can apply for C, enter. So it's closed. Okay. You can go to choose the dimension, choose the linear. Here to here, 20. And you can go back to your radius. Here to here radius. Okay. Now you can able to find these three elements. One, two, three. Okay. Right. Now I can go to choose another object. Here I can choose draw. I can choose the rectangular. So when you choose the rectangular, it is asking for chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness, and width. So first of all, it is asking for the center point. So any corner point you can able to find out. So you can able to choose the first corner point. So you can choose it anywhere. So I can able to click somewhere here. When I click the point here, you can able to find out its command bar. It is asking area, dimensions, and rotations. So I have to go for the dimensions. So I can go for D, enter. So after that, it is asking for length of rectangle. So I can use it 20. And after that, it is asking for width of rectangle. I can choose it 10. Now you can able to find the rectangle is done. You can go back to your dimensions, go to linear. You can able to choose these two. Here also you can able to find out. Now created here. Again, you can go back to tan radius. So if you want, you can select these two tans and radius. So 1 and 2. The radius you can put it 3. Again, I can go to choose tan radius. 1 tan. This is 2. And you can go for 5 or 3. Now you can able to draw this circle. Okay. In the same time, you can go back to here. One tan is here, another tan is here. You can go for 3. So you can find out the circle here also. So you can able to go to find the radius. So this is the radius 3. Even this one also radius 3. Okay, right. Now I can go to choose draw. Here you can find out the polygon. Okay. The first polygon, it is asking for the sides. How many sides you need? So I can choose 6. So after that, it is asking for center point. Now you can go to choose your radius. So I can choose the radius is 10. So now you can able to find out this polygons. Now I can go back to circle, choose center radius. I can choose somewhere here the point radius. I can choose 20. So I can just delete this one. This one also I can delete again. So again I can go back to radius, center radius. I can choose center here. Radius I can put it 5. Now I can go back to draw. Here I can choose the polygon. In the polygon, it is asking for the sides. I can choose 3. After that, it's asking for center point. After that, I can go for my radius like this. So here you can find out this radius and the polygon also came. Again, you can go back to circle. You can go to choose tan. 10, 10, 10. So you can find out this circle also. Again, I can go to choose the dimensions, go to choose the radius, and go to choose this radius also. So this one is available here. So I can go to choose market draw. Now you can understand polyline, polygon, rectangle, and circle. Okay, right. So I hope this tutorial you can understand. Thank you so much.